welcome to Narayana Educational Institutions. Today we're delighted to have NEET 2026 All India Rank 145 Nidhi with us. Congratulations Nidhi. How does this feel right now?
It's great to be here and witnessing this moment with my eyes, and I'm really happy with my rank, and I thank Narayana team for that.
How did Narayana help you in this entire journey?
Narayana did basically everything from conducting tests, motivating us, and helping us when we were feeling low. And the teachers were really a great help. They always supported us with our doubts, always clarifying doubts and encouraging us to revise texts again and again to improve our marks.
All right. Who are the specific people you'd like to thank?
I would like to thank all my teachers, my parents, and everyone who has helped me achieve this rank. I would especially like to thank Narayana team for their dedicated faculties and rigorous test series and uh, test analysis after every test, which greatly supported me in my achievement.
Did you handle every subject with a different strategy? How did you go about it?
For bio, it's just reading NCERT again and again and again. So I basically read it like 20 times. And for physics and chemistry, you can read NCERT for 1 or 2 times, and it's more about like practicing questions. So I did practice that with the papers were there, and that was enough, I think, for practicing questions.
All right. So, is there a tip that you'd like to give to someone, a junior who is just starting out on the same journey?
I would like to say that rather than focusing on different textbook and many you are doing one textbook and after completing you are doing another, rather than doing that, I would suggest you to revise that textbook itself.
So, Nidhi, what made you choose Narayana?
Actually, I gave a test when I was in 9th class called NSCJS. I qualified that, and when I appeared for second stage, which was held in Delhi, I met some persons from Narayana Jaipur, who invited us to at least see the atmosphere here and then decide if we wanted to stay. So we visited Narayana Jaipur and we liked it here. The hostel and all the teachers were very good. So I decided I would stay here and prepare for my NEET journey for 3 years.
Are you glad you took that decision?
Yeah.
All right. So, Nidhi, one last question. If you could meet the younger Nidhi from 1 year ago, who would be scared and doubting herself and all of those things, what would you say to her?
I would say, I would ask her to be confident and be consistent. That Nidhi was like very inconsistent and not that focused.
And also, that Nidhi is going to be AIR 145, right?
Yeah.
That was Nidhi with us, everybody. Thank you so much.